Hello, I am Matt Osborne, the CEO and founder of Scale, showing Google how we plan to utilize the Gmail integration and what data we utilize to send these messages. So as you can see, the first screen here is just the login for Scale. I'm going to do a quick sign up here and just provide my information. Now what that's going to do is send an email to Attentio, and I'll use that one to log in. Now we're going to configure our integration into Gmail. And as you can see, here are the two scopes that we have. And select all. And now that's connected. Now, one of the concerns that we definitely want to show here, and it's in our privacy policy as well, we are not utilizing any information as to the Google users data or anything like that. All of our data is coming from user provided data, either from our company profile, in which they can fill out information about their company, or the user profile, in which users can fill out their tones, their description, their LinkedIn URL as well. All right, so now we're going to show the functionality of how we can make a campaign. So we're going to go new campaign. People can either choose to send a single email to one contact or send to a list. For this demo, we're just going to do a list. Now, you can connect your CRMs you see fit. So that's going to be pulling from a specific list of people. So we go like Scale testers or in the list that we've created in our HubSpot instance. For this demo, I'm just going to grab a list that I've already pre-created in a CSV. And we're just going to run down here, Attentio emails. Great. And here we have just a pre-created prompt sales pitch for a new SaaS service. Now, it already has my company profile, so that SaaS service is going to be, by default, probably Scale. And we're going to go generate preview. And this is a quick notification that we have something running in the background. It is prompting our server to write those emails. Also, we're going to see just one email. As you can see, it says just Dear Matt. It is writing to Matt because Matt is the first person on this list. So once I say that it's okay and this email looks good, it'll then apply that prompt across all users. So this seems like a pretty long email, and I am more of a TLDR kind of person. So we're just going to tell it to make an adjustment. Awesome. As you can see, we have a little bit shorter email. Now we're going to hit continue, and we're going to name this campaign. Since it was a SaaS one, we're just going to say SaaS selling. And what that's going to allow us to do is to save that campaign for future use if you wanted to repeat it. You can also choose where it's going to be sending from. I have a Gmail and an Outlook, so you can use either. But of course, for this demo, you'll choose the Gmail. We're going to save and continue. Now here you have a couple options. You can either confirm and send emails now, confirm and send them later at a different time, a different day, different hours from now. Or I think the most common situation is that you can confirm and send to drafts. That's going to allow all these emails to be created and then saved in your Gmail drafts for you to edit one by one. So we have now to send them into draft, and as you can see, the status is now drafting. We go into my email, we should be able to see these drafts being created. As you see, here's the first one that has been created, and that is the one that was Matt. And then as we continue, we will see more and more come down from that list. That's the basic functionality of how Scale works. Just to repeat, we are only drafting emails using the user data that is provided to us directly from our users and not utilizing any other user data provided by Google. We are only using Google to take our prompts and our generated emails and put them into draft mode or send on behalf of our users. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. hope you enjoy the demo.